now. Go with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Go with me now. I'm gonna show you how. Go with me now. I'm gonna take you down. Go with me now. I'm gonna show you how.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Before this video starts, I just wanted to let you guys in on a little something. The helmet mount that I was using today was this one, because my other one broke off. You can tell what happened today by the dirt in the mouth. Okay, perfect. Yeah, the other one broke off, so I did have to use this one today, but I got another one coming in the mail, so the next video will be with that one. So bear with it, guys. You won't be able to hear me talking at all, which kind of sucks. It kind of works a little bit, but yeah, I really messed up my legs today in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Damn, that guy knows how to ride it. You good? Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, damn! Oh! Yeah! You went so deep on that!
Fucking go!
You went so deep!
I went far, but it was fine! Yeah! Yeah, filming?
Yeah.
Hi there! Hi, folks! How's it going?
Woo!
I want to see this ride. Be careful!
Damn, that kid on the 85. This is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit that like button because my legs are messed up. Like, I really hurt my knee and my thigh. Maybe a little concussed. Don't think so, though. But I do have a splitting headache. And it really hurt. So, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.